Connecting Google, Facebook, Instagram, Stripe. A comprehensive guide to setting up the core integrations that power your GoHighLevel marketing machine. Have you ever built an entire workflow, launched a funnel, set up email and SMS automations, only to realize nothing is tracking? Your Facebook ads not passing the data. Your Google Calendar is not syncing. Your Instagram DMs are sitting in a separate inbox, and your Stripe, it's not sending payment confirmations. Why? Because you never integrated the core platforms. Now, that's one of the most frustrating things for new users. When the tech is powerful, but the plumbing is not connected. But once you get it right, magic happens. When your Facebook page is connected, you can instantly respond to DMs and comment inside GHL. When Google Calendar is synced, you avoid double bookings and missed appointments. When Stripe is linked, you can build payment automations, abandoned cart sequences, and send invoices that fire off workflows. When Instagram is integrated, you can turn inbox conversations into leads. You stop juggling a dozen tools and you finally create a connected, automated marketing machine. Today, so your system works, it's supposed to. You can pause and follow along in real time. Number one is connecting Google, Gmail, and Calendar. We go to settings, integrations, and look for Google. So in integrations, you will find the option to connect your location's Google account and to connect your Google Calendar. Now, Google Calendar you cannot connect over here. You'll have to go to My Profile, Calendar Settings, and Connections to start syncing your events. Now, once you are connected, you are done forever. You also need to ensure your digital calendar is mapped to the right Google Calendar. Now, this ensures two-way syncs for bookings. And if you're running Google Ads, you will need to connect the Google Ad account separately under Ads Manager in the Marketing tab. So that's Google. Next is connecting Facebook and Instagram. Once again, you go to settings and reach here. And you need to make sure that you are connected over here. The connection over here is active. If it's not, you simply need to make sure that it's connected, and also you can select the ad account that you want Facebook to track. Now that's how you connect your Facebook page, Instagram account, and so on. Then you can go to your conversations and you will see Messenger and Instagram DMs come to your GHL inbox. And if you run Facebook, Instagram ads with lead forms, you'll not be able to use those as form triggers in the workflows, but only when you have those connected. Next is Stripe. You again go to Stripe is not in the integrations tab. No, it's here. So you connect the location Stripe account, manage Stripe integrations on payments and integrations. So that's where you connect Stripe. Once connected, you head over to payments to create products, invoices, payment links, or subscriptions. You can now embed Stripe payment forms inside GHL funnels as well. Inside workflows, you can also create triggers. When a payment is successful, send a welcome email plus assign a tag and add to CRM. Do not forget to turn on email receipts in Stripe and in GHL to avoid missing confirmations. Step 4 is to test the integrations. After the setup is done, you go to conversations and send yourself a Facebook or Instagram DM. Check if it shows up. You book a test appointment and see if it reflects on your Google Calendar. And you make a test payment and check if the automation fires. You can use Stripe's test mode for this. You can go back and give it a try and let me know if you face any issues. Talk about the common mistakes that you must avoid. Don't use a personal Facebook account not tied to your business page. It won't work. Ensure you have admin rights on both Facebook page and Instagram business. Stripe connections must be made using the primary Stripe account holder. And Google Calendar Sync only works with the calendar you explicitly choose in staff settings. So make sure of these and you will be good to go. So here is your big takeaway. Automations are only as powerful as the integrations that fuel them. So you can have the best funnel in the world, but if it does not know when a payment is made, when someone books a call, or when someone DMs your business, you are flying blind. So here is your action plan for today. Head to settings, go to integrations, make sure you connect Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Stripe right now. Send yourself a test DM, book a test call, and make a test payment. Confirm everything is syncing. This is your foundation. And once your system is connected, you have got the full power of GoHighLevel across email, payments, ads, DMs, and calendars all in one place. This is where you stop being a tool user and become a system builder. Keep going, and we'll see you in the next session.